Hi, this is Marcus Cantor and you're watching LA Architecture for You TV. Today I'm going to show you a house up in the Byrd Streets. We're going to go in and take a look at it. Let me know what you think. As we're walking to the property, I enjoy the fact that you're walking across steps and a water feature into the house. This house has over 6,200 square feet, is a 4-bedroom, 5.5 bath property. It sits on a lot that is nearly 25,000 square feet. The living room is open to the family and media room and dining room. It's absolutely perfect for entertaining. It's a completely designer-done property. This home has large open spaces and very high ceilings. You have a fabulous built-in bar with temperature-controlled wine storage for almost 200 bottles, and a sophisticated kitchen with professional appliances. Everything opening out to sensational views you can see from downtown all the way to the ocean. There are hardwood and limestone floors throughout this property. The walls are Venetian plastered. You also have wood paneled walls and ceilings. I had an opportunity to meet and talk with the designer, really point out the quality of this property. This property has outdoor areas that are outstanding. You have both covered and open patios. You have a fire pit and dazzling infinity pool and spa. The indoor space flows beautifully outdoors into your ocean views. This house at night would be amazing with the fire pit and the lights dimmed and the views of all the city lights. You have various different areas where your guests can gather and enjoy conversation. The master suite is over 1,800 square feet. It's incredibly luxurious. It features a study and tremendous custom closets. They say beauty is in the details, and in this house that's clearly seen. The master bathroom is gorgeous. I love the shower and its little seating area. You see many custom details that you wouldn't normally see in a house. There are also 3 additional bedroom suites. Each one has its own bathroom and they're completely private from one another. As you walk through this house, you're definitely impacted by what I think is really top-end materials, really a beautiful, subtle color scheme. Everything about it, from its custom work to its open floor plan to its indoor and outdoor spaces. This house was meant for entertaining and for living the Los Angeles lifestyle. So what did you think? If you like this property and you'd like to see it, let me know. Also, if any other properties that you were interested in seeing up in the Sunset Strip, Hollywood Hills, Beverly Hills area, you can reach us at www.laarchitectureforyou.com. Have a great day.